gonna be intense, bro. We got Vault versus Quad, bro. This is gonna be intense. So we got the Lightning Pandora prototype, of course, BU plus. Wheel, the stamina, inside attachment, stamina. Going in stamina because we're seeing the ceiling on the defense mode, and it's gonna take on the BU, the Dynamite Battle Ultimate Valkyrie. So it's gonna be intense. So yeah, you already know it's gonna be a dog fight. So starting off with the stamina mode, of course, and we're gonna see how it goes. All right, boom. Ultimate slash, final buster. Dang it. Okay. For some reason, when I always say that, it just doesn't work. All right. Now get it with the ultimate buster. God dang it. Okay. Okay, for some reason it doesn't want to work today. Okay. Come on, Pandora. There we go. Alright, there's ultimate. Alright, big hit. Big hit on ultimate. Ooh, Pandora takes it. Alright, that's one. That's not the strongest launch with ultimate. My launcher just being a douchebag right now. Alright, that's one. And ultimate B. Alright, there we go. Alright, big hit, and it goes down. Ultimate lost once click. Alright, that's two. And also, my Evolution driver broke, and I put this metal screw on it, so maybe that's what its downfall is right now, but like, oh my god. Okay. Boom. Ah, dang it. I tried so hard to like launch this really hard, and it's just getting stuck on the launcher. Alright. Now, lightning crash. Ultimate thing. Dang it. Oh my god. Yeah, this ultimate, bro. It's ultimate. Boom. It literally has to be on the tip of the launcher. Bro, it does not want to work. Okay. Now, lightning crash for the 500,000th time. Ultimate B. There we go. And oh my god. Oh my god, bro. Ultimate. Okay, getting that KO. Now that was the stronger launch. Okay. Well, that's 2-1. But will it happen again? That's the big question. I don't know. I don't think it's gonna happen again. Yup, Pandora. Alright, that's 3-1. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna happen with Ultimate again. It got that launch. I don't think it's gonna happen again. Alright, boom. Dang it. I'm probably just gonna go call it. And there we go. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my freaking god. Oh my. Oh my god. Bro. Oh my god. Oh my freaking god. Oh my god. Dude. Oh my god, it's 3-2. When this bad boy can launch, I'm telling you, it does damage. Oh my god, bro. It is freaking 3-2. Oh my god. Oh my freaking god. It's 3-2 right now. Nope. Bad launch. Dude, bro, this is why I love Ultimate. It's just like a Beyblade. Like, if you actually hard launch this thing and get a good launch, this thing can hit like an ass of a truck right now. Alright, there you go. A little bit better. A little bit better on Ultimate, but just not enough. Just not enough. Yeah. So can Ultimate Valkyrie get the can it get the fortitude to come back and win it? If not, then I'm gonna call it. And look, there you go. Hops, bro. That was a good launch, but Pandora managed to survive that hit, man. That's honestly a really great way to end it off with a good launch, man. But Pandora survived, man. Like, dude. Like, it was close to getting the burst, though. Like, with this driver being so, like, the weight on this driver is insane. And when you hard launch this thing hits like a freaking truck. But anyways, man, but Pandora coming out on top with this one. Yeah, Quadra taking the win over Vault. Hard smash attacks for sure in a major way.